Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another interesting vlog. You can hear from my voice that I'm excited to share this video with you. So if you're new here, it's Tonte. I'm not Tonte Abiye, but you can call me Tonte. It's Tonte here again with another video.
Yeah, I've been trying to reach himself, no way. Alright, so I will.
Tante, what if we see this year feeling for you?
No, go carry. No, make me the fear,
yeah, that's my intention.
I'm traveling to Okrika, a local government in River State. So come with me. I'm not going to talk much so that you enjoy the experience and all of that. But some places I could put it through though. My guys, I'm a Riverine girl. I'm not from Okrika though. I'm from Calabari, Abonima to be precise. But I was scared. Let's just keep watching, Sha. The last time I took the waterways to go to a place was like over 5 years ago. You understand? So even then, I was scared, but it is what it is. We just had to do what we were supposed to do. See me now, I'm holding this my friend's hand. And the funny part is I could go to the place I'm going to now very rude, but it takes like 3 hours before you reach that place. Then with the boats, you're going to get there in less than 15 minutes. See how the water is doing from the speedboat. At this point, we dropped some people off at this village, so we are headed to our destination. Wait for him now, let him pass. Wait, no, make you not do. Now wait I pray for here. That day I do not mind that man was a married man. If you see the way I was holding his hand, but his life not important. Na duty na work we go for. Okay. Can you see that place there? So we are already close to our destination. See me now, doing video, but the kind fear within my body. All right, we've reached. That's the jetty, so it's for us to come down now. See, this is me going.
No, Jerry, only you go climb the step, come back. It's not working, no.
Look at how I'm walking like a small baby.
I don't go fear water. I go fear to fall inside boats. No, this thing not the.
Yeah, I'm going. Jesus. Go away. When I beg. Okay, so I decided to take a video of this one. You're going to, after the boat passes, you're going to hear how the wave sounds when it hits the slap that they did.
I don't know when they will finish. Assuming I have an idea when they will finish.
And she said there is no light safe. Nature is beautiful though. This is my babe we came to support. I know you've seen her severally on my channel. That's my makeup artist, my business partner. Alright, we are on the bike. We're going to the location of the event. At least this one I wasn't scared because I'm already used to this type of movement you get. Now we're on our way back to Port Harcourt. See me now. Forget all those things why they do, I did fear. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I hope you enjoyed it though. And are you scared of water like me?
See what you want to